Here's a 2013 Audi S4. It's ready to pounce with its high-performance engine and powerful stance. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: intercooled supercharged V6 engine, quattro four-wheel drive with traction control, manual transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, external memory control, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, Recaro front heated sport seats, Bluetooth, and power heated mirrors. New car test drive ads special to the S4 are sport seats with deep side bolsters designed to keep driver and passenger in place during vigorous driving. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.